Valencia, Spain. Hola, travel enthusiasts. Prepare to be enchanted by a city that dances between tradition and modernity. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Valencia, a place where history whispers through ancient streets, where futuristic marvels touch the sky, and where every dish tells a tale of culinary passion. Join me on this cinematic adventure, because in the next few minutes, you're in for a treat that will leave you longing for the magic of Valencia. Let's dive in. Valencia is a city located on the eastern coast of Spain, on the Mediterranean Sea. It is the capital of the autonomous community of Valencia and the third largest city in Spain, following Madrid and Barcelona. The city is known for its rich history, cultural attractions, modern architecture, and beautiful beaches along the Mediterranean coastline. Our first stop is the heart of Valencia, the Old Town. Immerse yourself in centuries of history as you wander through narrow streets lined with charming buildings. Don't miss the iconic Silk Exchange, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing the city's mercantile past. Now, let's explore the Central Market, a food lover's paradise. The aroma of fresh produce, seafood, and spices fills the air. Indulge in local delicacies like horchata and churros. It's a feast for the senses. Valencia is also home to the futuristic City of Arts and Sciences, a masterpiece designed by Santiago Calatrava. Dive into the Oceanográfico, the largest aquarium in Europe, and marvel at the incredible exhibits that bring the ocean to life. For a breath of fresh air, head to the Turia Gardens. Once a riverbed, this vast green space is perfect for cycling, jogging, or simply enjoying a relaxing picnic. It's a testament to Valencia's commitment to green living. No trip to Valencia is complete without a visit to its golden beaches. Whether you're into water sports or just want to soak up the sun, the city's coastline has something for everyone. Best places to visit in Valencia. Valencia is a city rich in history, culture, and modern attractions. Here are some of the best places to visit in Valencia. The Old Town, Ciutat Vella. The Old Town, or Ciutat Vella, stands as a living testament to Valencia's rich history and cultural heritage. Wander through its labyrinthine cobblestone streets, where every step unveils centuries of stories etched into the facades of medieval buildings. Dominated by the imposing Valencia Cathedral, the Old Town is adorned with architectural gems such as the Silk Exchange, La Lonja, a UNESCO World Heritage Site showcasing the city's mercantile legacy. As you stroll through this enchanting district, you'll discover hidden squares, bustling markets, and charming cafes that beckon you to immerse yourself in the authentic ambience of Valencia's past. The City of Arts and Sciences. The City of Arts and Sciences, Ciudad de las Artes y las Ciencias, stands as a breathtaking testament to Valencia's commitment to innovation and cultural expression. Designed by renowned architects Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela, this futuristic complex is a striking ensemble of avant-garde structures set within a modern urban landscape. The Hemisférico, resembling a giant eye, houses an IMAX cinema and planetarium, offering immersive cinematic experiences. The Science Museum invites visitors to engage with interactive exhibits, making science and technology accessible to all ages. The Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, a stunning opera house and performing arts center, showcases a fusion of cutting-edge design and artistic excellence. Surrounded by reflective pools and lush gardens, the City of Arts and Sciences is not just an architectural marvel but a cultural hub where creativity flourishes. Valencia Biopark. Valencia Biopark is a captivating zoological park that goes beyond the traditional concept of a zoo, offering a unique and immersive wildlife experience. Located in the heart of Valencia, this innovative attraction focuses on creating environments that closely resemble the natural habitats of its animal residents. The biopark's design emphasizes conservation, education, and a deep respect for the well-being of its inhabitants. As visitors stroll through the park, they encounter lush landscapes that mirror the African savanna, Madagascar's rainforests, and the wetlands of equatorial Africa. The animal exhibits are carefully crafted to minimize barriers, providing an up-close and personal connection with a diverse range of species, including lemurs, gorillas, elephants, and big cats. Valencia Biopark places a strong emphasis on raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity and the conservation challenges facing various ecosystems. La Lonja de la Seda, Silk Exchange. La Lonja de la Seda, also known as the Silk Exchange, stands as an architectural jewel within Valencia's historic landscape. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the city's economic prowess during the late Middle Ages when it was a major trading hub. Built between the 15th and 16th centuries, La Lonja showcases the wealth and influence of Valencia's merchant class. The building's Gothic architecture is both intricate and imposing, with its main hall, the Sala de Contratación, featuring soaring columns and ribbed vaults. The elaborate stone carvings and detailed sculptures throughout the structure reflect the prosperity and cultural sophistication of the time. The trading activities that once took place here, particularly in silk, played a crucial role in shaping Valencia's identity and affluence. A highlight of La Lonja is the Torreon, a fortified tower that served as a symbol of the city's autonomy and economic power. As you wander through the interconnected chambers and marvel at the delicate details of the architecture, you'll gain insight into Valencia's historical significance as a thriving Mediterranean trading city. Turia Gardens. Turia Gardens, or Jardins del Turia, represents a green oasis in the heart of Valencia, transforming what was once the Turia riverbed into a sprawling park that encapsulates the city's commitment to green living and outdoor recreation. Spanning over 9 kilometers, this picturesque urban park offers a diverse range of activities and landscapes for locals and visitors alike. As you enter Turia Gardens, you are welcomed by meandering paths, vibrant flower beds, and lush greenery that provide a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The park caters to a variety of interests, with dedicated areas for sports enthusiasts, families, and those seeking a peaceful retreat. Jogging and cycling trails wind through the park, while open spaces invite picnics and leisurely strolls. One of the notable features of Turia Gardens is the City of Arts and Sciences at one end, creating a harmonious blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. Numerous bridges cross the park, each offering unique perspectives of Valencia's skyline and the surrounding greenery. The Gulliver Park, located within Turia Gardens, is a whimsical playground inspired by Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels, providing entertainment for younger visitors with its giant slides and climbing structures. Malvarosa Beach. Malvarosa Beach is a sun-soaked haven along the Mediterranean coastline, defining Valencia as not just a city of history and culture but also a destination where golden sands meet the azure waters. Named after the historic neighborhood it graces, Malvarosa Beach is a popular retreat for locals and visitors alike, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and vibrant seaside activities. As you approach the beach, the rhythmic sound of crashing waves welcomes you to a stretch of pristine shoreline. The expansive sandy shores provide ample space for sunbathing, beach games, or leisurely walks along the water's edge. With its vibrant atmosphere, Malvarosa is a place to unwind and soak up the Spanish sun. Lined with a variety of beachside restaurants and cafes, the promenade invites you to savor authentic Valencian cuisine, with paella being a must-try dish. Enjoying a meal with panoramic views of the Mediterranean is a quintessential Malvarosa experience. For the more adventurous, the beach offers water sports such as windsurfing and beach volleyball. The lively ambience continues into the evening, as locals and tourists gather to enjoy the sunset and the array of restaurants and bars that come to life along the waterfront. As the sun sets over the stunning landscapes of Valencia, we bid farewell to this captivating city that seamlessly blends the past and the present. From the historic charm of the old town to the futuristic wonders of the City of Arts and Sciences, from the golden shores of Malvarosa Beach to the serene tranquility of Albufera Natural Park, Valencia has woven a tapestry of experiences that lingers in the heart. I hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and ignited a desire to explore Valencia's wonders for yourself. As we say adios to this Mediterranean gem, remember that the world is full of incredible destinations waiting to be discovered. Join us next time as we embark on another adventure to unravel the mysteries and marvels of diverse and fascinating places around the globe. Until then, happy travels and adios from Valencia.